Hey everybody, we are live from ISE and I'm with my long friend. We were trying to work out how long. Long friend Josh here.
Josh slipped by.
Yeah. It's been a long while. So Josh, tell us what your role is at Jabra.
So I'm the chief video evangelist at Jabra. It's a mouthful, but my role is to get out there, tell our video story, and kind of share what's new and be creative with that, right? So it gives the opportunity to have some fun with it. But
Awesome. So we've got your two bars here. We've got the Android VBS and the P50. What's new? What are we talking about here?
So the bars aren't new, right? The P50's been around for a few years, and of course VBS came out in September. So gaining some traction. We're seeing customers happy to see that out there. But what's new is some of the updates we've been deploying to them. That's kind of one of the things that we're proud of, is that instead of selling brand new devices every time a new feature comes out, we're rolling out new features to the device you already have.
And it's significant features. The what do you call them? Like the value packs, the firmware update.
Yes, right. We're talking, stuff like intelligent speaker for Microsoft Teams Rooms, and soon to be facial recognition for Microsoft Teams Rooms. That stuff is all coming out. The intelligent speaker is already there. We already rolled that out. Facial recognition will be in the next couple months here. And then things like intelligent meeting space, which is, room boundary scenarios. You got glass walls, open meeting spaces. You want to define where the room is so that you're not auto-framing in when someone walks behind the glass on the wall. And that came out at the end of last year as well. So a lot of innovation there. Cool things because intelligent speaker and facial recognition play right into the Microsoft story of AI and Copilot, which is all anyone can talk about. This.
You are on brand there, but it's true, right? I'm hearing this come up now. There's a new impetus to get audio and video right in the room because we want to get the transcript right and we want to get the framing, the intelligent framing with the naming.
It can be easy to leave that as something you forget to add on, right? You're sitting there planning for the worker and the apps they use and the meetings they're in. It can be easy to forget about, there are people in meetings from rooms, and we want to get actual data that shows their names. If you forget about that, then, sure, it's great you got Copilot and meeting recaps and transcripts, but they're only going to get you so far with action items and intelligence without knowing who was in that room. So, yeah. That's the key.
So the other thing I want to quiz you on is the Jabra Plus. So through the magic of editing, we're going to jump over to the other side of the stand, and then we'll talk Jabra Plus.
Let's do it. All right.
Magic cut. We're in front of the Jabra Plus area. So loving your stand, by the way. So what is Jabra Plus?
So Jabra Plus for admins, as we have introduced and announced at the product name level, is a brand new management platform, right? That is, at launch, will be supporting room devices. Panic has 50. VBS, and then as we move into the year later on, we keep developing. This platform is going to grow and expand. As we move later into the year, we'll be including personal devices, which if you kind of get a view of the screen here, you can see this is what will be there at launch, and we'll open up into other areas of management. So
this is exciting because as you scale these rooms out, you need the management. And obviously we've got the Pro Portal, which is great, but there's certain things the OEM tooling can do that Pro Portal can't. So this is you guys kind of stepping up on the management front.
Absolutely. And it's important to keep the platform portals in view. We want to do that most certainly, work together, but there are deep levels of management that are important at the OEM level. And going beyond that, those portals are usually room-specific portals, right, on the platform side. So looking to the future where we bring personal devices into that story, that can be a single pane of glass, game-changing story. So we're excited to get there.
And what kind of timeline are we talking here?
So in the next couple months or so, right now it's in a beta version, right? So if you get in touch with your account manager and you actually want to start kicking the tires while this is in beta for rooms, that's a possibility.
Hang on, I've got a VBS and I've got a P50. Where's my beta invite?
I've got to talk to John. Talk to John. But yeah, so it's out there now if you're interested, and then in the next couple months or so, it'll come live again for the rooms first. Personal devices look toward later in the year, and I'm going to be very vague on those dates. But yeah.
Awesome. Well, if you're here at the show, come and see Jabra. They've got a great stand, and you can't see it, but they've got a whole meeting room with signature and everything running as well. And if you're not, then get in touch with Jabra. Check out the new management capabilities. Really exciting. Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.